Hello everyone and welcome to System Recipes. I'm Reno Cabral, and in today's recipe I'm going to just show you some basic configuration on Windows Server 2016 Technical Preview 2. As you see over here, I'm already logged in into my Server 2016 and I'm on my Server Manager. So if you go on to Local Server on Server Manager, you'll find the first thing is the computer name. Microsoft has this weird way of giving some random computer names, which I really don't like, to be honest. So I'll just click on it, and then if you click on change, and then you can change the computer name. I'll just name this as Server 2016. Okay, and I'll click OK. You can also add it to a domain or a work. It's already added to a work group by default, but if you would like to add it to a domain, you can add it to a domain. So I'll click OK, click on close. It's gonna ask me for a restart, but I'll just say restart later. There are a few other things that I would like to configure at the moment. Another thing that I would like to configure is remote desktop. So if I click on remote desktop, which is disabled by default, I will click on allow remote connections. I'll click OK. There will be a few firewall settings that we might have to change. Okay. By default it will give everyone access to this server, but if you would like to be specific to which user you would like to give access to, just click on select users, and then you can add users by default, whatever users you have on your local server. For now I'll just leave it blank. Okay, if you just click on allow remote connections to this computer, by doing this you'll be able to connect to this computer remotely. Okay, another thing that I would like to configure is the IP address. To do that, if you just see this icon over here, if you just right click that, you can go to network, open network and sharing center, and you'll find your adapter over here. When you say click change adapter settings, and you'll find your adapter over here. Okay, so all you have to do is right click on properties, and if you just click on TCP/IP version 4, I'm not using version 6, so I'll just configure IP4. Click on properties, and where it says it's automatically assigned, you just click on use the following IP address, and I'll assign the IP address as 192.168.0.105. default gateway for me is 192.168.0.100. oh no, sorry, it's 0.1. my DNS servers are 192.168.0.100, and secondary DNS server is 192.168.0.1. okay, this IP addresses might be different to yours, whereas like default gateway can be different for you. DNS servers, so you just have to mention your DNS servers IP address, and the IP address for this server that I have mentioned over here is 192.168.0.105. Once everything is done, you can just click on OK and close that. So that's it in basic configuration. Please hit the like button if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Please hit the subscribe button for more future videos. Thanks for watching.